Okay, hi, my name is Sofia Polpis. I'm living in Stockholm, in Sweden. I came here for the workshop, but actually I am a practitioner since a few years ago. And the first time I have heard Brian talking, I was just thought it's amazing. It's amazing because he takes care of the brain, he takes care of how to think, how to do. And I was nearly crying when I heard him the first time. So I just put everything signed for the practitioner. I've done practitioner and I'm really happy. I introduced goal mapping to quite a lot of people in Stockholm. They love it. By myself, when I made my first map, it's unbelievable. And when I'm showing people the next maps, things just happen unbelievably. And that is most important for us and for kids and for everyone, just to navigate our thoughts. And this is about the great value of this, that you can choose your thought by yourself. So I think that the amazing system, an amazing thing. I love it.